guys. Be a rain. Be a rain. Be a rain. Whoa! I lightning for sure, guys. On you must hear that. On you must hear that now. Guys, you can smell it. It smells so good.
That's right.
Mummy phone. Mummy phone. Come here, man. Mummy phone. Yes, sir. Yeah, man, guys, we're there on the riverside again. Yeah, man, I don't know my style. Outdoor on the riverside. Yeah, man. So, peeps, something different today again. An experimental vlog. What do you mean Google? Bro, I'm for the same time because the sky dark, eh? Anyways, what do you mean scroll through on YouTube because I want to find something different to do. Rice plantain because I love rice plantain. So I want to find a unique dish, right? I'm going to one, I want to try bake cinnamon rice plantain, right? I'm also have a fish. I want to roast it and put some of the cinnamon rice plantain in the fish. You don't know. I always try to learn something new. Yeah, man. So, guys, like the video. Leave in a comment and tell me what you think about this idea. Share it out. Get me to 1K. I beg you know. And also follow Instagram. Jeff876 and Yacht Adventures. The link for the page them down below in the description. You know? And also follow Young Girl Can Cook. You see me? Go to our page and subscribe. The link to the channel are down below in the description and pinned in the comment section. Right? Just go over there and subscribe also. Yeah, man. A bad chef. See, bro, if you chop some steak, catch a fire at the same time. Bro, you don't want a big fire because a fish roast, so you know, a heavy fire. Yeah, man. So, guys, when you're done with the fire, we check back. Yeah, man. You know what I'm going. I want to do right here again, right on the riverside. Yeah, man. Alright, peeps. So, the fish I got roast in a banana leaf, right? Since how many the fish? The plantain, no, the aki stuff. Now the fish, yeah, man. If you don't see the video, it also in the description, right? And it will tie with this. Everything comes from the banana leaf. Guys, I don't want to use fire paper, but I think reaching, I'm not going to buy fire paper. Why? But I do want to do the video. I'm going to say, boy, I nah give up. So I use the banana leaf. Yeah, natural vibes. Yeah. And now this now, all of the ingredients, you know. Right? So you have a cutting board. It's not necessary to cut my charger. Right? This towel. Hey bro, is it catch fire? See that catch fire, see your peeps. Take out the phone here. Yeah, my knife. Don't know. The cinnamon powder and the nutmeg powder. Now this guys. And the spoon. Yeah. See the plantain here. That we cut up. Salt now this. Same way. We have cayenne pepper. And we have fish season. See the Maggi fish season. Sugar now this also if we go with the cinnamon plantain. So that's what I'm going to do. And to the fish them in here, so 2 fish, right? One nice jaguar and red fish. Whoa, you know what, peeps? Mess. I forget this what we're seeing time, you know, because can't take it raw and smell bad thing, you know? Boy, peeps, the thunder. I roll up See sky there, a big rain, you know. This morning rain that Joe. Yeah. So wanna make that go and do the thing. One dry it ready. Get the fish then wash off same time. You don't know. Alright guys, so see fish them here, right? Wash off. Start time to get them seasoned now. And also time to get the plantain cut up. The plantain cut up. So get the plantain cut up. Get the fish seasoned up. Yeah man, so time to do two things them. Do it for the fast because thunder roll. Alright peeps, so get some salt on them now, you know. Not too much, you know, because I don't know, say season having salt in it already. Get some in your belly. I don't know. Same treatment. Yeah. Alright, then I done season up for now. So get done wash that for now and then cut the plantain. Don't know. Get the Angela back, you know. Yeah man, so I tell you now to do the plantain. This well ripe peeps. Nice self-ripe plantain. We come back to buy plantain, we don't look for the yellow pretty one them. Then the car buy, we don't want them there. Alright, so I tell you now cut up. Yes peeps, so I the plantain this, you know. So I tell you don't forget the cinnamon dip salt out now. Yeah man. Bro, if I don't get it man bro. Me give you so much thing and make them done and find a catch. No, so I give you one more thing. See you do it last time. I'm beg you do. I beg you. If I can't catch you, I catch you. You man a sweat. Look on face, you in a sweat. You see rain now coming up peeps. And look what you do. Alright, so time to forget this thing start out now peeps. So peeps, man, use the same bag here. Right. Same bag here, come forget. We shot a one container. I don't think about that at all. Alright, these peeps are the nutmeg powder. Yeah, nutmeg. So the cinnamon powder. Put a little bit more in it. And sugar. Yeah. Better that. So get one more, we can put more in because enough plantain, enough slices. Alright, so get them mixing and then now just add in the plantain them nice. Alright, it's that time now to just mix up everything. Wow, back the block properly. Anyway, see that peeps? Just mix up everything together now. Alright, see you know peeps? It's our time for fire. But the bro don't do the fire yet, I'll help him because boy I don't want the rain come catch you down here. Yes peeps, fire just start catch. If me go help him man, yeah? Fire just start catch. After 36 long years, fire just catch. Boy peeps, if you help him alone, rain catch you down here and we're dead for hungry. Yeah man, so what I do guys, so that stone here, I can put right here, so right? And get on something for run cross. So what I'm gonna do, I'll get some things now to run across here. Yeah, put some more stick knife and look at chip. You see me?
You bought it?
Huh?
Yeah, but I'm going to pack up my things, you know?
Oh, it's called that's about macaroni. You COVID gone already?
The man peeps so want some
Brahms.
stick run across the grill, you know? What we need to miss guys? Oh, look it up.
Hi.
God. Oh, look it up. No, it's because.
Or you want to keep yourself in the door?
You think a joke? Take it back to myself. No, we take time. Alright, so it's going to be about 2 guys.
Yeah. Chop off the leaf off of them.
Alright, it's going to be about 2. Alright, come in. Alright, go on. Go on, yeah? Alright, let's know any more on this. So, guys, swim across the water. Drop, 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 drop. Whoa! I lightning for sure, guys. You must hear that. You must hear that now. So, we're now wait pan. Look at my bro. That we turn phone, you know.
Yeah, man.
At the same time,
Rain. I'm not the rain catch me down here. Catch me down here.
Alright, peeps, so we're queen the banana leaf now, you know. This one I give a show, no? My last video because my phone gave me beer trouble, so I'm going to phone to borrow now. To do my vlog. So, just comment, big up mommy in the comment section. You see me thank her because I shield me her phone. I know I'm not get my battery started out yet. But hopefully today do. But the rain there's somebody sure. Because the beer rain, I almost never get to the video today. Almost, but I don't know. I love this thing, so I push out. Yeah, man, peep, so I'm done quail and I put in the. Alright, guys. So now I time now to add in now. Add in the fish. First, add in the fish here. You want this, bro? Can't give me Jaguar, I swear. Alright, guys, you see? So it's cinnamon plantain, so I put some in it, but in the belly of the fish. You hear that? Put in the belly of the fish, that's it. We're in a joke here today. Alright? Like that, guys. So I do it, people. Alright, stop it on careful. Alright, guys. So right about now, I try something quick and fast. Come on, so come on for the side. Try something quick and fast, you know. We're in a Jew. What's the hook, bro? God, I'm going to please half an hour. Give me half an hour. Alright, guys, I do push them in, you know? So I tell them to get in. The plantain. Let's start planting them. Alright, come in, bro. Alright, so man, we can get in the section here.
Plantain.
We're gonna come, peeps, we're gonna come. Look at the peeps, rain. See the one come up right here, so. Yeah man, be rain. You can put everything important in a Ziploc bag, like all the phone and so, you know. Yeah, so. See we can get this in 50 minutes. As it's done, or I go home and try it out, you see me? Yeah. When I live too far, see, right here, so. Right here I go. Right here, so. See guys, be a rain. Be a rain, be a rain. Yeah man, peeps, so. I have to check pang them and go on, you know. Yeah? If you're active, see them way. See the peeps, nothing I go and feed. Right, see them way. So what I do, I carry my one, go finish bake it, you know. I have to roast it in the oven. I don't know everything to do it for him one, but I carry my one because I have to taste it. When I leave everything give him, but no, I have to taste what I'm going to feed. Yeah man, so me soon I'm reach home. Alright guys, so I use this oven and finish the fish. Right? So put it on half an hour. No, 20 minutes, 25 minutes. Yeah, 25 minutes. See where I come in. Yeah. Put it on right here, so put it on the function here. That means the heater top and bottom come on, so you don't know, done faster. And put it, see temperature there, 350. Yeah man, so I'm going to fish them right now. Yeah man guys, I tell you to show you stuff them. So it's a plantain, now that. So the fish. So guys, I keep the natural flavor, the natural look. Yeah. So this oven guys, or this toaster, whatever you want to call it, you can do air frying, you can do toast, bake, so much thing you can do. You can do dehydrate stuff also. Yeah man, so as you see this is the timer. So if you switch between the modem, the air fry right here, so bake and all that, and this for the temperature. Yeah man, so when it's done, yeah, pling. Yeah, so check him up when it's done. So let's see what I'm going. So I'm going to feed him enough juice. Yeah man, fish look hot. Shot. That time over taste no piece and thing and go no. I feedback and tell one thing, but guys, me think say this is better with the plantain, but better with jerk chicken. That's just my belief. So can't believe and tell me one thing. But my try the jerk chicken do, you know, so maybe that can be the next vlog. So turn on to try fish. So I'm set up my camera right here, so I turn on for taste, you know. So we can light the door here. That goes my light. Yeah, look much better. Alright, so fish timer now. No, try pattern first because I don't know how many fish taste already and all that. Yeah. Yeah. Steam wicked. I'm gonna give it the next 5 minutes because as or less the fish cook, but the plantain don't cook right through. So the plantain about 90% cook. Right? So we can make the plantain cook some more. That's the only fat behind the plantain. Mm-hmm. Yeah, the town of plantain and the cinnamon powder kinda raw. So definitely we don't want to cook some more. Or what we maybe could do, I put butter on the fish, right? So the butter help cook the cinnamon powder. Mm-hmm. But don't know the fish now. Nice. Mm. Fish a fish. Mm. We should try the fish with the plantain. Mm. This I'm fine with it. It's nice and can go on, you know, can go on man. Because the plantain you want to cook more. Let me say about 90% cook. So we should make it cook a little bit longer or more heat. Yeah. And put butter in it next time. So you know say you have more liquid inside the fish so the cinnamon powder can cook. Mm. Or the soda piece you get. Shape piece of fish. Mm-hmm. And guys, as you know, the 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 banana leaf give the fish a more natural vibe. Yeah man. Than the fire paper, more natural taste. So I try the plantain alone without the fish. I'm going to separate, so hopefully my sister don't do it, you know, because she don't want to take time or eat some and let back some for me taste it. No. If you eat what you want and then give her the rest. So soon come up my people. Alright peeps. If you right here, so that means I'll make it to the end of the video. The plantain have a different flavour. Come check this. It finish. I tell me say boy should I finish it? She say it tastes good. Different flavour, different vibe to it, you know. One thing though people, I think me over season the plantain too much. So I put the cinnamon powder upon it lightly. You see me, so it's a bit over season. So next time I do it, but definitely I'll go put less cinnamon powder on it. Right? And the cinnamon powder I think I have it too long because you don't have the cinnamon taste there again like that. And the high cinnamon scent there again. You see me, so next time I know what to do next time, right? And the next time I try jerk chicken. Yeah. So remember guys, like the video, leave in a comment down below, tell me your thoughts, tell me what you think about this video. You see me? And me say comment below, big up mommy in the comment section because I she them my phone, so I she make the vlog here possible. And I say subscribe to Young Girl Can Cook, Bad Chef. Go over there. The link for the page in the description and pin in the comments, and also follow me on Instagram also. The link also in the description too. Just click it, go over there, give me a follow. So I'll catch you guys in my next video. Look more.